Welcome to Stockton Kia. Today's just a quick demonstration video on how to book a vehicle into our after sales department, whether that's for a service, MOT, or maybe both. Okay, so we're just on our homepage here, so stocktonkia.co.uk, and from here we click on to after sales. There's a bit of information, so what we can do for you, how we can help protect you and your vehicle, look after you, etc. You can call our service department directly if you preferred, or you can book online as well, which is a popular option at the minute. So please complete our form and we will get your vehicle booked in. All right, so you can choose as many you like. So whether you're booked in for a service, MOT, or maybe you do have an issue that you do want to note down. So you could click other. So if there's anything maybe warranty wise you're not too sure about, maybe you've got a query about anything, you can do that as well. So if we book our vehicle in for a service, then you can say what preferred date you'd like to get the vehicle booked in for. So let's say the 10th of November. So 10th of the 11th. 2020. Okay, so we click OK there. So any particular time there, so there's any time between 8:30 and 5 o'clock, afternoon between 1 and 4, or morning between 8:30 and 12. So if we click between 8:30 and 12, so you put in your registration number. Okay, so if we put in one of our used vehicles, for example, so let's put this Kia Optima in. So it's BN67 EFO. And name for booking, so let's just put in, Joe. So Joe. And contact number, so I shall put our contact number in. Okay. Email address. So if we just skip the email address. So thank you for an inquiry related to special office. We'd love to keep you informed. So this is just part of our data protection on there. Okay, so if we say keep us informed by telephone and submit. So thank you for booking, Joe. A member of our staff will contact you. This will then send a notification to our service department. We'll then be in contact with yourselves just to confirm booking for you, and if there's anything you require. So if you maybe need a courtesy vehicle or collection and delivery, anything like that at all, then our service department will be in contact with that. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward to use. Have a go yourself. If you do have any problems, like you said, do call our service department directly and we will help you out the best we can.